with new trimmer cord from time to time. We have a number of different mowing heads that we can fit to our machines, and each head has a slightly different method of how you'd refill the trimmer cord. Let's have a look at how we refill the line on one of our auto cut heads. Make sure you're pre-prepared with the correct diameter and length of trimmer line. You may need to visit your Stihl dealer. Remove the cover, remove the spool, remove any remaining line, and then refit the new line one side at a time. Wind it on evenly and then lock it off. Fill the other side, again tight and even, and lock it off on the opposite side. Refit the spool into the head and position the new line to align with the eyelets. Once the line has been pulled through both sides, refit the cover and you're ready for work again.